ChargePoint, a leader in the electric vehicle charging world, is facing some unexpected twists and turns. And there's a new price target that might just surprise you. Curious? Let's dive in. Okay, let's take a look at the news. In the rapidly changing landscape of electric vehicles, ChargePoint has always been a beacon, leading the charge, pun intended, in providing solutions for this burgeoning market. But recent notes from Evercore ISI suggest that not everything is smooth sailing for ChargePoint. They've slashed ChargePoint's target price from a whopping $20 down to $17. That's a significant drop, but it still indicates a potential upside of 170.49% from its last close. Now, before we jump to conclusions, let's break down some numbers. ChargePoint's shares opened at $6.29 on September 9, 2023. With a market cap of $2.22 billion and a price-to-earnings ratio of -5.93, it's clear that they're navigating some choppy waters. Their stock price tends to be more volatile than the market, with a beta of 1.62. And while they do carry a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.90, their quick ratio of 1.97 and current ratio of 2.37 suggests they can handle their short-term liabilities. Historically, they've seen lows of $4.96 and highs of $19.92 in the past year. And while large investors have shown mixed feelings, institutional investors still hold about 45.01% of the company's stock. Their recent earnings announcement on September 6 was a bit of a letdown, with an earnings per share, EPS, of 35 cents, missing the consensus estimate of 13 cents by quite a margin. Their quarterly revenue was also slightly below estimates. But here's the thing, the electric vehicle infrastructure is still in its infancy. Companies in this sector are bound to face both triumphs and challenges. ChargePoint's recent price target reduction is a wake-up call, but it's also a reminder of the potential upside. The electric vehicle market is growing, and ChargePoint is right in the thick of it. How they navigate these challenges and adapt will be crucial. Now, for those of you keen on the trading side of things, let's talk about some surge signals for ChargePoint stock in the upcoming trading session on September 12, 2023. On the upside, we're looking at $5.91, $6.06, and $6.29. On the downside, it's $5.53, $5.30, and $5.15. What does this mean? Well, these numbers are critical price points. If the stock approaches or breaches these levels, it could confirm a directional move. For instance, if the stock hits or surpasses $6.29, it might indicate a bullish trend. Conversely, dropping to or below $5.15 could signal a bearish move. Traders, keep a close eye on these numbers. Alright, folks, that wraps up our deep dive into ChargePoint's current situation. If you found this analysis helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to stay updated on more stock insights. Oh, and if you do subscribe, drop a comment saying subscribed, and we'll do our best to respond. Before we go, we've got a question for you. Do you think ChargePoint can navigate these challenges and come out on top? Share your thoughts in the comments below.